Hello learners, welcome to the course Effective Technical Writing. So if we look around, we see people engaged in varieties of communication such as meetings, briefings, conversations, presentations and much more. But the question arises, what is technical communication? What is technical writing exactly? So it is a form of writing that subject matter experts use to clarify their ideas in a simple way. Since the salient features of technical communications are: number one, it is objective in style, it has a purpose, it is brevity, it has clarity, it has objectivity, and yes, it has technical presentations. So technical communication gained momentum with the development of science and industry. Technical writers work with graphic designers, web designers, illustrators, and they are serving science and industry. And yes, it is highly prized. The term technical refers to connecting something which is practical in approach and objective in style. A professional can advance their career by learning the various aspects of professional writing, and these professional writing includes job application letters, cover letters, and report writing, technical presentations, and much more. Technical writing comprises the largest segment of technical communication. So in short, interaction requires communication. Since communication is the key, the word communication has been derived from a Latin root word communicare, which means to share. So we generally share our emotions, thoughts, feelings, and ideas with others. It is different from a journal writing because technical communication or a technical writing targets the specific audience with a specific message. It should have the objectivity in approach, brevity in style, and clarity in expression. So this course is designed in 4 modules. Module 1 is all about the basics of technical writing, in which we will clear about the fundamentals of technical communication. Module 2 gives an emphasis on technical reports and research papers. Module 3 gives a focus on business letters and technical proposals, which is the need of the hour. And Module 4 is all about employment communication, that is resume building and cover letters. Organizations use company-specific style manuals that contains guidelines for producing technical documents, business correspondence, professional presentations, and visuals. Engineering professionals can advance their career by developing their writing abilities and understanding the writing process in the context of engineering. After completion of this 4-week module, the learner will be able to understand how to critically examine research data, incorporate it into assignments in a clear, simple, and logical manner, and correctly cite sources. 2. Utilize peer review and industry standards when editing, writing research papers and reports. 3. Apply an appropriate fundamental to obtain new contracts and ensure the success of their company. And 4th outcome will be to explain their abilities and knowledge to prospective employer. I, Dr. Soniya Verma, Assistant Professor of English from the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, KIET Group of Institutions, warmly welcome you to this course. And yes, definitely you are going to learn a lot. So let us learn how to draft a professional document with us. Thank you so much.